Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing something super exciting today. I'm not gonna take a long time, so let's get to getting. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Why haven't you subscribed? If you're watching this video right now and that subscribe button look down and it's red, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So I heard of this challenge. Mark, did you turn the rice down? Oh, I thought my food was burning. I first heard of this challenge yesterday by nikkietutorials, and I saw it and it was really funny. So I was just like, let me go ahead and do this too because I think you guys would enjoy it. The challenge is called Google Picks My Makeup. So basically what you do is the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, you put those two letters into the Google search bar and then you hit look. Okay, so I'm gonna do RT look, and the first picture that pops up, so I go to images and the first look, you guys, I can't, I'm not, no, no. Okay, so I just wanted to prove to you guys that I'm not cheating or anything. Dang, I was hoping it would be something exciting. So the first image that you see is this car right here. Do not judge my nails. I'm getting it done on Thursday. But the first picture is this picture, and then a picture of Kylie Jenner, and then look at this picture right here. Jesus! I'm not doing that. You have to pick the first image. So I'm gonna go with this white car, and I see some in the background. They have like a tan-ish background, and then the tires and everything. So let's see if this is gonna be cute because I'm low-key nervous. I didn't want to Google it before I made this video because I wanted to be honestly surprised of what I got, and I don't like it. I want to do this fun. I want to do something fun, like a flower or something. I'm gonna use the tan walls as my transition color, and it seems to be like a light brownish color, so I'm gonna go with this color right here and mix these two for a transition color. You guys, I'm literally so scared. What is this? White eyeshadow? I don't even have white eyeshadow. What is life? Baby, don't hurt me. I guess for the tan, I use that as my transition color. So I guess I'm gonna use the black to deepen up my crease. I'm so scared for how this is gonna turn out. Okay, now it has streets in there. So it has streets in there, and usually when you're if you really look at the road, the road, it has little glitter in the road. I know it's weird, but there's low-key glitter in the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this black and glitter shadow and just use that on the outer corner of my eye. That's gonna help deepen it up. Okay, and now, girl, let's just try to blend this as much as we can. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. And now I think white. What palette has a plain white? I don't think I have a palette that has. Oh girl, I found one. And I'm gonna use this body crayon just so the white pigment can show a little bit when I put the shadow on. That's good enough, right? Oh hey now, it's not looking that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this beauty supply store palette because that's the only one I found. Glad I didn't throw it away because I was all bougie, so I was just using my bougie palettes. Forgot where I came from. Beauty supply store. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this white shadow. And now to make it look a little more, dramatic, I'm gonna put the white shadow in the inner corner on my waterline. What you would like to see. And I'll show you all my. Now I'm gonna use some liner to try to bring everything together. Let me blend this a little bit, but liner is definitely gonna save this look. So let's go ahead and do a dramatic wing liner. To be honest, I feel like lashes is gonna save this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes on. It is really hot, so I need to hurry up with this challenge, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the whole nude theme. Well, not nude theme, but you know, it's like I did the tan and the white and the black. So I'm just gonna go in with my lip gloss, and this is from the Patrick Star collection, and this is the Mama Star lip gloss, and I'm just gonna use that. See, and I'll show you all. You guys, when this first came out, I wore it like every day. What do you guys think? Did I nail it? Did I nail it? I think I did good. I think I pretty much accomplished my goal, but I had a lot of fun doing this challenge. I really think this is a fun challenge that everyone should try to follow. It just makes you try something new in colors that you probably wouldn't really try, because I wouldn't do this combination, but it turned out I challenge you guys to go ahead and do this challenge. Definitely tag me in your photos on my social media. I'll link all my social media right here, so make sure you guys go follow me and then tag me on any of the photos if you guys do this challenge. And I think it'll be awesome. Just go ahead and do that, and let's see what y'all come up with. I think it'll be really, really funny. I'm kind of actually really excited to see what you guys come up with. But until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.